Hello everyone, I'm Scott from HPR Product Reviews, and this is the DYMO LetraTag LT100 Portable Label Maker. Now, I love this product and I'm going to explain why. First of all, it's built incredibly well. I've had this for at least 3 years now, and it still works like the first time I used it. The buttons are nice, they're sturdy, it's easy to type in any label you'd like. There are a number of options you can choose from font size, style, borders, you name it, this thing can do it. It uses a label cartridge that you can see here. They do last a very long time, but if you do run out, it's easy and affordable to go out and get yourself replacements, which you will also find are available in multiple colors as well. How does it run? It uses 4 AA batteries, but you'll find that it does last a very long time. At the end of the day, this is great for any type of organizing you need to do. If you have a small child in school, this is great for labeling supplies, lunch items, books, folders, whatever you may need. It's one of those items you don't realize you need until after you have it. So I give it 2 thumbs up. Definitely go out and get yourself the DYMO Label Maker.